Javelin sinkers.
Take it away.
Corned beef and garbage.
All ready.
Fry 2, slap 'em in the eye.
Right here.
Boin 1.
Here it is.
Have you got pig's feet?
Don't get personal.
1 vegetable garden.
Okay.
Plates up.
Oh, dishes. I'd like to wash my hands of the whole business. Oh, me, day in and day out. Work.
A glass.
Right away. Looks like dish night around here. You have to use your head to get around here. Oh, if I ever get out of here again, I'll never wash.
Fry 2, 1 on one side and 1 on the other, and make it snappy, will you?
Right away. I've only got 2 hands. Oh, I can dish it out, but I can't take
Beef
this.
stew.
Beef stew.
And I do mean stew.
Oh, all I do is work from morning to night. What do I...
A Boston cream pie and step on it.
Right away. Oh, gee. Why did I ever take this job for anyway?
A telegram for Miss Boop.
Just a moment. Where are you?
Here I am down here.
Oh,
Here's a telegram for you.
thank you. Yippee! Off with the old job, on with the new. That's what I'm gonna do. And now I'm through feeling blue. Boop, boop, ba-doop. I'll get my salary, all that is due, and I'll say toodaloo. It's off with the old job, and on with the new. Oh, this must be the place. Oh, isn't this fun watching baby? Here now. Isn't that nice? Oh, you naughty boy, you mustn't do that. Here. See, now you just brush your teeth. Sure, once a year, and see your dentist twice a day. Isn't it nice? See, there, your tooth is all nice and clean now. Who's next? Oh, a little baby walrus. Nighty-night. Good night, Betty. Oh, the little angel. Hi-ho, stupid!
No.
with the old job and off with the new.